This is an essay from Civil Services Main Examination 2021. The topic of the essay is There are better practices to the best practices. Before reading this whole essay, I will briefly tell what I have written in this essay. First, I have given the meaning of best practices and how there can be better practices to the best practices. In the next para, I tell that best practices keep on evolving and getting replaced by even better practices. Uh, then I have given examples of money transfer in Manrega, best agriculture practices, and best clinical practices, best practices at the workplace, and how there is possibility of replacing the existing best practices by even better practices or improving the effectiveness of existing best practices. Next, I have explained that technology can make the existing best practices better, and even circumstances demand to make the existing best practices even better. Then, at the last, there is a conclusion. Now, let's read this whole essay. A best practice is a method or technique that has been generally accepted as superior to any alternatives. Best practices are ideal, most efficient, safe, and effective method to do something. As no person is perfect, likewise, no practice is perfect. Every practice has some drawbacks. It is possible to improve it and make it better or to replace the existing practices with better practices. Therefore, it is said that there are better practices to the best practices. Even the best practices keep on evolving. What were best practices in past are now considered outdated and inefficient. What are now considered the best practices will be obsolete and inefficient in future. They will be replaced by better practices. Earlier, in schemes like Manrega, the workers were given daily wages in cash. Later, this practice changed and money was now directly transferred in accounts of workers. Further, another better step was taken by linking Aadhaar with bank account number. One best agriculture practice is the minimum use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. But better than this practice can be opting for entirely organic agriculture. In clinical trial, the best practice includes keeping computerized record of all the patients and publish all the good and adverse effects of medicine. But better than this practice can be to have an independent observer of whole clinical trial also. At workplace, best practice includes involving workers in decision making, giving opportunity to workers for skill development, no gender discrimination, etc. But further better practice can be including some mechanism that ensures that all best practices are followed at workplace. Technology can also help to make the best practices of today even better. Technology has replaced many manual processes with digital processes. It has made the tasks easier, cheaper, and time efficient. Earlier, there was practice of physical hearing in courts, but during COVID pandemic, a new practice of virtual hearing started. Thus, the circumstances also demand updating or replacing the existing best practices with even better practices. Physical classes are best for student-teacher interaction, but in COVID pandemic time, a new practice of online classes became popular. This has its own advantage, particularly in difficult time of COVID pandemic. There is no permanent best. There is always better to the best. There is always scope of improving the best. There can always be better practices to the best practices. It is better to keep on evolving the existing best practices with time to incorporate new technologies and to face new challenges. Thank you.